Well, it wasn't until he died that 17-year-old Jordan Davis's name became etched in the minds of Americans. His face has been plastered over news stations over the past few weeks as the Stand Your Ground trial of his shooter, Michael Dunn, played out in court. Now his face is popping up again in a different way on promotional posters and T-shirts, none of which were authorized by Jordan's parents, Ron Davis and Lucia McBath. Jordan's parents received word about a video shoot taking place just days before it was set to happen. The family lawyer, John Phillips, contacted the event promoter and said the family would not condone it. They say the group does not represent the values that Jordan stood for. Now, despite the family's wishes, the shoot went on as was originally planned. The press release announcing the event promised that the Davis family would attend, something that they never consented to. And the flyer said that Jordan Davis T-shirts would be sold. Lawyers also contacted the shirt sellers, who said they weren't going to sell the shirts but collect donations. Only the Jordan Davis Foundation had no knowledge of any donations that would be coming in from the sales. Zero. The shirts were in fact sold at that event, but not a penny of that money has gone to the foundation as of yet. And the family lawyer says Florida state law is clear. It says, quote, "No person shall publish, print, display, or otherwise publicly use for purposes of trade or for any other commercial or advertising purpose the name, portrait, photograph, or other likeliness of any natural person without the express written or oral consent." John Phillips put out a statement on behalf of Ron and Lucia saying, quote, "We want people to think fondly of Jordan, memorialize Jordan and more, but we cannot tolerate victimization of victims by false representations, unauthorized use of his likeliness, using Jordan for publicity and profit, and outright deception." Now, it's true that this event could have been innocently promoting information about the current state of Stand Your Ground laws in Florida, and that they really are planning to donate the revenue earned from those T-shirt sales. But something that is equally true is that the fact that there has been, over the past few years, case after case where people are using the names of deceased family members from Newtown school shootings, for instance, or from the Boston Marathon bombing to set up fraudulent websites to make money for themselves. So when events or websites pop up with the faces of victims on them without the family's permission, it's no wonder why they say they feel victimized for a second time.